Hi students, do you know which equation to use for calculating the enthalpy change of a reaction? You often see these two equations in your school notes as well in textbooks, but do you know which one to use in which situation? The first equation, enthalpy change equals to enthalpy of products minus enthalpy of reactants, applies to questions in which the relative energy content of reactants and products are known in a energy level diagram or profile diagram. For example, if the reactants have an energy of 300 kilojoules per mole and products have an energy of 100 kilojoules per mole, then the enthalpy change will be 100 minus 300, you get negative 200 kilojoules per mole. When the sign of the enthalpy change is negative, reaction is exothermic as the energy of the products is less than the reactants, therefore energy is released. The second formula, enthalpy change equals to energy absorbed during the bond breaking of reactants minus energy released during the bond forming of products, applies to questions whereby bond energies are given. For example, to calculate the enthalpy change for the above reaction, two molecules of hydrogen reacting with one molecule of oxygen to give two molecules of water. How do you do this? You have to calculate the sum of the energy involved to break two HH bonds, which is 2 times 436 kilojoules per mole, and one of the oxygen molecule, which is 496 kilojoules per mole. You sum this up and then you minus off the energy that is given off in the formation of 4 OH bonds due to these two water molecules, and then you get negative 472 kilojoules per mole. When the enthalpy change has a negative sign, energy is given off. How do we know that? The reaction is exothermic. Okay, this is because the energy released during the bond forming is greater than energy absorbed during the bond breaking. So you have there an exothermic reaction. I hope this clears up your queries as to when do you use which equation.